Fieldwork requires the ability to work with people and include their observation while collecting data. This is especially true if you're going to be working at the poles. If you thought it was just going to be you, the snow and the ice, and the food web of non-human organisms, you're wrong. Remember, you'll be working and doing research in places that are exciting, but also complex. Sharing human knowledge and teamwork are extremely important. Take the Arctic. Your fellow humans have been a part of the Arctic for thousands of years. They're part of the food web. These indigenous people have handed down their long-term knowledge of life and survival in the Arctic generation after generation. If you're a scientist visiting the Arctic, talking, listening, and partnering with people that live there can provide insights that can produce better research results. Here's an example. Say you're monitoring sea ice thickness. You want to know the safest place to put your instruments. Inupiat and Inuit hunters know things like safe travel routes, which areas of the ice connect to the shoreline, and which last the longest into the spring. They can also help you stay safe in extreme weather conditions and navigate the local wildlife. Now, down south, there are no native Antarcticans. The only people who have ever lived there are scientists and researchers from all over the world. But teamwork and cooperation are extremely important here as well. Research is only possible if you can work with a coordinated team of people to conduct experiments quickly and efficiently. You can't do it alone. In the polar regions, you get the best results if you work with other people. This is true in the Antarctic, where you'll be working with an international group of scientists, but it's especially important in the Arctic. The local people that live here, some of whom are doing their own research, hold a vast native reservoir of knowledge that you can explore together if you partner with them. Their ways of knowing, among other things, can help you gain a deeper understanding of how climate change is affecting plant, animal, and weather patterns there. So before you go, remember, at the poles, cooperation, mutual respect, teamwork, and most importantly, sharing of knowledge not only deepens your knowledge, it yields the best scientific results.